Hey, y'all, I'm just sitting out here on my front porch, just admiring the beauty of the rebirth of our plants and our trees. And even Fang was talking to me a while ago, saying he agreed with me. It truly is like a rebirth. And so many of our northern neighbors and Midwest has had a terribly hard winter. And I know it's such a relief for y'all to see the sun shining again. And Easter is a very, very, very special time. You know, I think back when I was growing up, a teenager, where I really cared about what I looked like. Mama would dress us, and I'd always have my Easter bonnet. You know, just lots of good memories. But I think it truly is maybe my favorite celebration of the year. And that's for a couple of reasons. One, we were given a promise, made a promise that there was life after death with Jesus rising from the grave after 3 days. And if you're a Christian like me, that can give you a great sense of comfort. And I think the next reason is one of my favorites, the least important, is my grandchildren and the fun that we have here. Eddie makes Easter incredible here. We have Easter egg hunts. We have an Easter egg hunt in one part of the yard for the young ones. We have an Easter egg hunt for the older ones in another part of the yard, and making it a little harder. We play games like the sack race. We play the egg toss. That was really, really fun. And of course, there's a prize for the winner of each of the games that we play. But on the Easter egg hunt, we use the artificial eggs, and each egg has a ticket in it. And Eddie sets up a store, like a toy store. And for each of the kids that have a ticket, they can go to our store and purchase with their money tickets whatever they want on the table, and they get beside themselves. So having said that, I know that so many of y'all out there have your own way of celebrating, and I would love to hear about it. I'd love to hear your stories. If you feel you can share them with us. And I hope to have some pictures or maybe even videos of our Easter. So if y'all would do the same and be willing to share with me so I could share with everyone else, I would appreciate that. And until then, I wish y'all a happy, happy Easter, along with love and best dishes, y'all. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.